We don't see things the way they are, we see them as they should be. We're engineers, it's what we do. With us, it's always faster this, smaller that, better everything. And the way we see it, the internet's in a rut, literally. The big cable companies are digging ditches to bring you high-speed internet. Slowly digging ditch after ditch. And you're left to wait. And wait. Well, we're not waiting. We're putting high-speed internet where it belongs, up on a pedestal. We're banding together, taking to the skies, and shooting it across the country. And not just for some, for everyone in every corner. Why? Because being connected means everything. It's the great equalizer. Today's internet is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's running businesses, schools, lives, and more. Way more. And it definitely doesn't have to involve waiting, or burying cables, or buying bundles. It takes new thinking, hard work, and a dedication to lifting technology to new heights. The future's not faster cables, it's no cables. So we're climbing stairs, ladders, towers, and anything else that will allow us to connect you and everyone you know to affordable, reliable, non-bundled high-speed internet. You can't wait for a hole to be dug. And thanks to the world's largest connected network, you won't have to. The future can't wait. Join the Ubiquiti World Network.